We are experts and have a keen interest in disc bulges and herniation, headaches and neck pain, sciatica, sports injuries, general jaw pain, ankle and limb injury, tennis and golfer's elbow. We use manual therapy, dry needling, low-level laser, shock-wave therapy, myofascial treatments and sports rehabilitation to bring you pain relief. We treat all sorts of pain, from headaches and migraines, to neck, mid and lower back pain, as well as sports injuries and general aches and pains. We set ourselves apart from other chiropractors by providing evidence-based treatments, detailed explanations, team approach, low-level laser, shock-wave therapy and use advanced dry needling. Our treatments are fast and cost-effective. We accept private healthcare, Medicare, work cover, DVA and more. You pay nothing for workers' compensation claims, provided your GP has completed a work cover form and included chiropractic treatment as part of your cover. We bulk bill with no out-of-pocket expense for chronic disease management, provided your GP has referred you directly to us. We offer a free introductory health assessment. Your health is important to us. Just bring your health fund membership card with you to your appointment. So, if you suffer from headaches, migraines, neck or back pain, learn how to prevent damage and find out how to get long-lasting relief. Book an appointment now, call the number below or visit our website.